So hello all. So we are going to see the Chat GPT extensions, which will be useful for us. So let's see. So at first we have mail. So it will be easy for us to generate a mail writing or conversation. We can just give a gist. So this is Chat GPT writer write mail messages with AI. So once you have got installed this and we can go for this extension. I have already downloaded this. I have already installed this. So yes. So here are the extensions. So the all kind of extensions we can use for Chat GPT. So I'll go for a mail and I'm composing a mail. So, okay, I'm opening this. So I want to say hi to some people. So just checking how are they doing. I'm just giving a gist. So ChatGPT is generating a mail for me. So it's very easy for me. So yeah, see how this email finds you well. I just wanted to reach out and say hi and ask how are you doing. It's been a while since we last spoke and I wanted to check in. Please let me know how things are going for you and if there's anything I can do to assist you. We can just insert generated response mail and also we can generate some other same thing. Hi, how are you in a formal way. Okay, we'll just see this. Hi, how are you in a formal way. So let's see how it generates. Hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to extend my warmest greetings and to inquire about your well-being. Please let me know if there is anything I can assist you with. Best regards with your name. So yeah, that's it. It's very easy for, as of now to for us to generate mail. So this is ChatGPT writer write mail messages with AI. So let us see some other extensions. So yeah, Chrome Web Store. So this is here is example of the YouTube video. You can also see over here. So if we search anything over in Chrome means the Chat GPT results also will be appeared. So we'll just see some examples. Okay. So I've already on the extensions. Only Web Chat GPT is turned on. So we'll see that afterwards. So now I'm typing image CNN data science. So waiting for ChatGPT response. So yeah, see. So it is typing convolution neural network or a type of deep learning algorithm commonly used in image classification. So the summarization of image CNN and data science, we can able to easily get, we can able to collaborate or we can able to ingest this into a Google Chrome. The chat GPT will be in Google Chrome as well. So these are all the extensions which will be very useful. And we can see the predictions of 2023 with AI. So this is one another extension. So yes, choose your industry. So let's say creator economy and let's say optimistic and personality professional and verbosity. I'll be choosing standard emoji level none thanks submit. So you have to give your email, then it can able to send this to your email. So as of now, I will skip this time. So we'll see the creator economy will continue to grow and diversify. Artificial intelligence will enable creators to automate various tasks. The use of that's what we are doing now. The use of mobile devices will increase accessibility for creators. So a lot of good things is going to happen. So yeah, let's see some other extensions like ChatGPT Prompt Genius. Okay, so Prompt Genius is nothing but if we ask something to ChatGPT, we can able to download it, download the PDF, PNG, or export it. Whatever we can able to do with that, we can able to download it for locals. So as of now, it is not there. So I think I'm not switch on the extension. So let's see. Yeah, I didn't switch on. So now we'll just refresh. It will be appear over here. See. So if I'm have done some text summarization. So if you want to export this, I can able to do this. I can able to download this as PDF, PNG. So I'm just downloading it as PDF. See. So if we see this, you can able to see the PDF. So yeah, and let's look for some other extensions which will be useful for us is web chat GPT. So yeah, you can install this extension. Let us go to the chat GPT chat GPT. So at first let me switch on the extension and now we'll refresh it. So the thing is, the Chat GPT was trained till 2021 model. So the information's available or till only 2021 year only. So if we switch on the extension web chat GPT, it will connect with the web and we can able to get some recent results. It can show some recent results. So it will be very useful. Web chat GPT will be very useful if you want to get some recent updates. What is happening? Give me some recent updates. Give me some Let us ask something. Give me some recent updates in data science for 2022. Let us see. See, it is providing the results. Graph analytics and blockchain and analytics. Many of these trends have been developing for some time. Additionally, the web searches, data analytics towards data science. Okay, it's giving something. It's giving some good things. So let's switch off this web chat GPT and check whether it can able to do the same. So what are the questions we have all? Give me some recent updates in data science. Okay. At first we'll refresh it. So now it is not connected with web chat GPT. So now we will ask the same question. So I have said it was trained till 2021 only. So we'll check for 2022 whether it gives appropriate results or not. We'll check. See, I'm not aware of any specific updates for data science in 2022 as my knowledge cutoff is 2021. However, some recent trends in data science include it is showing some recent trends, but it is also intimation. It is also giving an intimation like it is having only knowledge cutoff till 2021. The information which came recent after 2021 is not available. So yeah, that's it. So these are all the extensions which will be very useful for us. As a creator or in any domain, any field, it will be very useful for us to get some information, to get some things. And also, I think I have missed something else, the YouTube summary. Yeah, we'll check the YouTube summary. So, yeah, here it is YouTube summary with ChatGPT. You can check this. So, if we can able to, there will be some YouTubers, they will, their speech will be get summarized, their speech will get in a text format. We can able to translate it in English text format, and then we can able to summarize that with chat gpt. If the video is too long, you want to summarize that, we can able to use that as well. So we'll just see three blue, one brown. So here, what is a convolution?
Hello,
Welcome to
welcome
the
to the
postgraduate
postgraduate
program in
program in
artificial
artificial
intelligence
intelligence
and
and
machine
machine
learning,
learning,
offered
offered
by
by
Let's skip that and
Suppose I give
here
you two different lists of
transcript
them.
and summary. See, so it gives every speeches in a text format. We'll just take this into the chat GPT and it will summarize. the whole conversation. It will just summarize. If you don't have a time, you can just convert this into ChatGPT and you'll just get a summarized version of it. Like a convolution is a mathematical operation that combines two functions, blah blah blah. It gives everything. It summarizes the whole video. It summarized the video, so it was very useful for us. So yeah, these are all the extensions, and these are all the extensions which will be very very useful for us. So yeah, if you guys know any some other extensions, please let us know in the comments, so we will also get to know. So it was like in a collaborative way, so it will be very useful for everyone, for me and for others who are watching this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more informative video related to data science, chat gpt and some other things, we'll just connect. Just subscribe to my channel, and I'm expecting some comments down in the below, and press the like button. We'll see. Thank you.